So here's the operational manual of GN-250. So you have to check this black pipe, so that valve is open and that you have the pressure here. This is the air tank. So once it's on, you have to switch this on. There is one switch. It will start to loading. So process screen, you're looking for the process screen and you wait until this will light it up. And so later you have the control, start, stop and alarm reset. So what you have to do is to put it in manual, because in after it wouldn't work. You put it in manual and you press the start button. I will not press it now, so it will be loud, but I will continue to explain. So once you start it, the machine will automatically start to work. Sometimes you will see this is the air inlet. On air inlet, if you see this doesn't open, so then you have to check the pressure here. This is the pressure gauge, and you can adjust the pressure and put more pressure here. You can adjust. I will adjust now. It might be the case, so I'll keep it pretty high here. So you see that it's on. It usually will always on. And you will see that this start to be running, and that's it. And you see you have the alarm reset button. So how does this work? This alarm reset button will allow you to take the nitrogen with the purity, with the low purity, to the consumer. So you see now is the parameter setting. So the machine is set this way. If the purity, nitrogen purity, 99% and less, the alarm will light up, and the nitrogen will go discharge to the atmosphere. So this you will see it discharging to atmosphere. So once it's more than 99%, once it's more, it will switch and it will go this way to the consumer. So keep an eye on the flow meter. Here's the flow meter. Keep an eye on it, that here's the yellow sign where the this thing is supposed to be. So this whole thing, the up of this thing, is supposed to be on a yellow line. Because the pressure depends on the pressure here and pressure there, it might vary, and you can adjust it, by using this adjusting the flow by using this valve. So once you running it, it's okay. Once you want to stop it, you press the stop button, but you have to press stop button once it's here the manual. So let's see. Start. Now it's working and it's giving the pressure. And you put it in auto. So the parameter, once the pressure in a tank, and at this tank, the pressure will drop below 5, it will start to work. Once the pressure goes 7 bar and up, this, if it goes 7 and up, so 0.8 megapascal, it will stop working. So now the pressure dropped. The pressure dropped because we only start the machine. It will take like 15 minutes for purity to come back. So you see, now it's discharging. Now it's the nitrogen is going this way. Once we got 99%, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna start to give. If you don't like it, and if you anyway you need the nitrogen, you can press this alarm reset button, and it will put nitrogen no matter what to the line. Once it's reached 99, it will. So yeah, it's slowly building. So in order to switch it off, it's working pretty much like an air compressor. Once the pressure is reached high, it will stop working. Once the nitrogen pressure drops, it will start to working. So once the pressure is the purity is dropped, it stop give the nitrogen to the consumer, and it will start to build the purity back. Once it's back, it gives the consumer. And so to off machine, you put it in neutral and you press stop. That's it. All the valves are shut. And you just put this off. That's it. You're good to go. So you don't have to close this because it's already closed. So you can close this line, but it's totally fine. It's sealed and it's good.